Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I found this recipe on TikTok. I will leave that link down below, but it is our go-to for meatballs. And all you're going to need are your frozen meatballs, barbecue sauce, honey, mustard, and of course, brown sugar, which I forgot to show you guys. Now growing up, my mom added bell peppers to her meatballs. I think that was just a way for her to get us to eat some veggies. And so I'm just gonna show you what I do. I kind of cook the bell peppers first so they can get a little soft. I add the frozen meatballs and then I just eyeball the rest of the ingredients. Again, if I leave anything out, I will leave more information down below. But here I am just mixing it up. It's kind of to your taste. Well, the way I'm doing it, if you like a lot of mustard, you could put a lot of mustard. If you don't like too much barbecue sauce, you can fall back on the barbecue sauce. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna mix it all together, then I let it sit. This was the biggest pan wok item that I had in my house, so that's why I'm using this big wok. I am feeding a party of 6+, and so we had leftovers afterwards, and it was just really good. You could pair this up with mashed potato if you want to just have like a side of salad and meatballs by itself. You could even have it over rice. Tonight we are having it over mashed potatoes, and that's pretty much it, guys. It's so easy, and I just let it sit here. I want to say the meatballs were ready in like 15-20 minutes. Because I did it in a wok, I constantly had to come back and mix it so it wouldn't burn at the bottom. And I'm gonna be honest, some of my meatballs actually did burn at the bottom of this wok. So you could either pop this in the oven, like in a tray, or you can use like a regular frying pan. And this is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.